Hey everyone, welcome back to the Daily Past. It's so awesome to have you here today. I've got a story for you that's honestly kind of mind-blowing. We all know Saudi Arabia is one of the world's largest oil producers, right? But what if I told you they just made a discovery that could totally shift the game not just for them, but for the entire global energy market? Yeah, you heard that right. Saudi Arabia has discovered major lithium reserves within its oil fields. Now I know that sounds kind of wild, lithium and oil together, but trust me, this is a big deal, so let's break it down. Here's the scoop. Saudi Aramco, the state-owned oil giant that's been powering the kingdom's economy for decades, is teaming up with some major players to explore these lithium reserves. They've partnered with Lithium Infinity, this cool tech startup out of King Abdullah University of Science and Technology, and Ma'aden, Saudi Arabia's national mining company, to extract this lithium. Now, if you're wondering why this is such a big deal, let's pause for a sec and talk about lithium. It's essential for rechargeable batteries, the kind that power your smartphones, laptops, and especially electric vehicles. As the world moves toward greener energy and electric cars, demand for lithium is expected to skyrocket in the coming years. So why does this matter for Saudi Arabia? Well, the kingdom has been 100% reliant on oil. For forever it's been the core of their economy. But with this lithium discovery, they're looking to diversify. And I mean really diversify. This could be the beginning of reducing their reliance on oil, while positioning themselves as a major player in the electric vehicle revolution. Now let's talk about how they're actually getting the lithium. They're not going the traditional route of digging into the earth. Instead, they're using an innovative approach, extracting lithium from oilfield brine, the salty water left over after they extract oil. This method is a bit more costly and complex, but if lithium prices keep rising, it could become a very profitable venture. And the timing is perfect, because this aligns with Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030, a plan to reduce oil dependency and move into other sectors like renewable energy, tech, and advanced manufacturing. It's all about preparing for the future. And with the rise of electric vehicles, this lithium discovery could place Saudi Arabia right at the heart of that future. Let's also talk tech for a second. Saudi Arabia isn't just throwing money at this project and hoping for the best. No. They're using cutting-edge technology to make this work. They're even bringing in artificial intelligence to streamline the extraction process, helping to increase efficiency over time. If the pilot program set to start in early 2025 works as planned, they could become one of the world's leading suppliers of lithium. And with lithium in such high demand, that's a huge opportunity. But here's the thing. This isn't just Saudi Arabia making a move. Other oil-producing countries, like the US, are also exploring ways to extract lithium from brine. This is part of a bigger global trend, where countries that have relied on oil are starting to realize that fossil fuels aren't going to dominate forever. They're pivoting toward cleaner, more sustainable energy sources, and lithium could be at the center of that shift. Now, I know it's still early days, but if this project goes well, it could totally change Saudi Arabia's economy. They could not only have a valuable new resource in lithium, but also position themselves as a global leader in electric vehicles, tech, and sustainable energy. Think of all the investment it could attract, and all the job opportunities it could create. This isn't just about diversification, it's about future-proofing an entire economy and positioning Saudi Arabia as a major player in the next wave of global energy. So do you think lithium could be the key to Saudi Arabia's economic transformation? And do you believe this could help them shift away from oil dependence? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below. What do you think this discovery means for Saudi Arabia's future? And do you think other countries will follow suit and start tapping into their own lithium reserves? If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Daily Past for more stories like this. We've got plenty more coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep watching the Daily Past.